What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best instant cameras. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We've got the perfect product that offers the best bang for your buck. The 2023 Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. This charming instant camera is a great option to capture casual and spontaneous credit card-sized shots at home or on the go. The Instax Mini 12, an upgrade from its Mini 9 and Mini 11 predecessors, sports its signature bubble camera shape and a fun color range. However, with improved controls, updated close-up mode, and a brand new app, the Mini 12 is a great value instant camera. This camera is not only cute, but also one of the most visually appealing pieces of technology you may come across. Though its appearance is strikingly similar to that of the Mini 11, the Mini 12 has a more sophisticated look, with its grip being seamlessly integrated into the side and color palette looking more vibrant than before. In regard to its controls, the Mini 12 has eliminated the separate power button of the Mini 9 and Mini 11 and incorporated it into the lens rotation feature. The lens rotation mechanism on this camera is quite remarkable. Rotate the lens once, and the camera powers on. A second rotation activates the close-up or selfie mode. Other physical buttons are limited to the shutter button, which has a bezel for an improved tactile experience. Key features of the Mini 12 include automatic exposure and flash control that brightens images, and a new parallax correction function that aligns the viewfinder with the lens in close-up mode. These features work together to create a more accurate and pleasant photo-taking process. Image quality and performance are exceptional with the Mini 12. Its 60mm lens can capture stunning shots, with sharp details ranging from the shape of a skyscraper in the distance to text on a poster. Photos have that desirable, slightly washed out, yet still high-quality instant film look, while the colors are cooler, with blues intensifying in the late afternoon as the sun fades. The close-up mode is spot on for taking selfies, resulting in sharp and colorful images with a bright background and a tad bit of warmth in the skin tones. Also, Fujifilm released the Instax Up app alongside this camera, an image storage platform that enables users to digitally scan, store, and share their prints from within the app. For the listed price, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is an unbeatable deal. Our next review is for the Fujifilm Instax Mini LiPlay, which is the greatest digital instant camera to be found on the market in 2023. Mastering the Instax Mini LiPlay's technical features is effortless, as it comes with no complicated settings or elements. Its exposure can be manually adjusted in the settings, ranging from -2 to +2 EV. Concerns about white balance are no longer an issue, as it's automatic, resulting in well-shot photos even when taken in the brightest weather conditions. The built-in flash can function in both manual and automatic modes with a 1.5-meter range, and the device comes with a timer that enables you to take photos with friends without the assistance of passers-by. It weighs only 225 grams and measures 82.5 by 122.9 by 36.7 millimeters, making it easy to carry around in pockets or small bags. Supplied with a USB cable, instructions, and a comfortable hand strap, the device is equipped with a micro SD card slot and various control buttons on each side. The camera's power button is located on the other side, and the charging connector is located at the device's bottom. The slot for outputting finished images is at the top of the case, while the cartridge compartment is situated beneath the screen. 6 filters are provided to achieve different photo effects, including a fish effect. In addition, images can be processed, frames added, and filters applied using the Mini LiPlay app, which is available for both iOS and Android users. The app will enable you to print photos from your smartphone's gallery with its specified number of megapixels, enough to print 1.8 by 2.4 inches. The image quality retains the classic instant film appearance while still giving decent results, making it a fantastic device. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Allow us to introduce you to the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40, aka the best retro instant camera on the market in 2023. If you're a retro lover, the traditional design of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 will immediately captivate you. It pays tribute to classic film photography with a design that embodies a classic and elegant style. Being a portable analog instant camera, it's easy to carry around and makes it the perfect choice for capturing any moment. One of the notable features of this camera is the new type of film called contact sheet, which Fujifilm has developed to mimic the look of contact sheets on regular rolls. The contact sheet film is available in 10 exposure cartridges, just like all other Instax films. The contact sheet film is available with all Instax Minis, and it only takes around 90 seconds to develop photos. As many users have attested, the device is equipped with an automatic exposure system that adjusts the shutter speed and flash output based on the ambient light level. This feature has enabled first-time Instax users to take photos that are automatically properly exposed, regardless of indoor or outdoor conditions, instantly getting high-quality photos. Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 is a camera designed for everyone who loves to take and share photos. The body of the camera is a glossy black and has high-quality textured material covering it, edged with silver material intended to provide a touch of elegance. It is a sleek-looking camera that fits comfortably in one hand, and its design is sophisticated and timeless. Besides, the camera comes with a selfie mode for quick and simple self-portraits. To activate the selfie mode, pull the front edge of the lens after turning on the camera, and you're ready to take a self-portrait. The features of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 do not end there, as the camera comes equipped with a real image viewfinder, runs on 2 conventional AA batteries, and has dimensions of 104mm by 121mm 65mm. In conclusion, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 is a perfect blend of a traditional yet modern camera design, making it a stylish choice for photography enthusiasts. It incorporates the latest technology, making it comfortable and easy for first-time users to take high-quality pictures instantly. Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 is not only user-friendly, but it's also greatly contributed to photography history and is a perfect blend of classic and modern technology. Good stuff. Up next, meet the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo, the best hybrid instant camera available in the market in 2023. This is a great-looking instant camera with many lens and filter options, making it a perfect choice for any enthusiast. The camera comes with a 3-inch LCD panel that has a resolution of 460,000 dots, making it sharp and clear. It is an excellent starting point for anyone looking to delve into instant photography with its vintage design and modern internal intelligence. The camera combines a 5-megapixel digital sensor with an Instax Mini printer, enabling users to add personalized effects to their photos. It also has Bluetooth connectivity for connecting smartphone apps, USB charging, and a micro SD card slot. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo has a vintage-style camera aesthetic, mimicking some of Fujifilm's high-end cameras. The camera's front houses a large circular lens, the camera's power switch, flash module, and one of the 2 shutter buttons. On top of the camera, you'll find another shutter button, a dial for preset filters, and a physical lever to pull to print a shot. This physical lever is a brilliant touch that adds a bit of tactility to the printing process. On the back of the Mini Evo is a 3-inch LCD screen for previewing photos before printing, a navigation keyboard, and 3 buttons. As an instant camera, the film sits under the screen and stores neatly. As a hybrid instant camera, the Instax Mini Evo comes with added features like multiple filter and lens options, including vignetting, soft focus, and blur. The camera can store around 45 images in its built-in memory, or you can insert a micro SD card slot for increasing the storage. Additionally, there's an application for transferring recorded images to the phone. However, users can only upload images that they've printed. The printing process is fast and simple. The quality is decent with bold colors and enough detail for its size. You don't have to print every photo you take, so you won't waste expensive paper and ink on poor results. The charm of an analog camera combined with some smart features of a modern camera makes the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo a great hybrid instant camera that we highly recommend. And now introducing the highly anticipated champion of instant cameras, the Polaroid Now Plus. While there are numerous brands of instant cameras on the market, Polaroid is undoubtedly the most popular. The Now Plus is their latest analog camera, showcasing the classic design of their previous models with added features via a companion app for users to unlock their creativity. The front of the device comprises the lens, flash, charging port, shutter button, and film tray, while the back houses the power and flash buttons. A stripe running through the center, along with the Polaroid Now Plus logo, adds to the camera's aesthetic appeal. Users can control the device via the Polaroid app, which enables remote shooting and features a universal tripod mount. Additionally, 5 lenses that fit the camera come in a convenient carrying case, which is sold separately. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the camera with its included micro USB charger, and according to user testimonials, it can hold up to 100 prints. The Polaroid Now Plus uses I-type film, a relatively large square with a small frame around it, resulting in bigger photos than the Instax Mini 40 can produce. Users can operate the camera as a point-and-shoot or fully control settings with the app's modes, such as self-timer, double exposure, and portrait mode. Shooting outdoors during the day with light behind the user produces the best colors and details, with a distinct vintage feel. The Polaroid Now Plus is ideal for creativity and hobbyist photographers to experiment with lighting and manual settings. Photos print instantly when the shutter button is pressed, whether on the app or camera, with a development time of 10 to 15 minutes. The portrait mode feature creates stunning blurred background photos of individuals taken between 40 centimeters to 1.2 meters away, with the autofocus switching between standard and portrait settings. The flash activates in low light conditions via a designated button for optimal images. With its dual lens autofocus system and improved flash, the Polaroid Now Plus camera provides superior image quality compared to the One Step. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best instant cameras in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.